Good morning, student. We are discussing the organizing, and in earlier video we have discussed the functional structure of organization. Now the divisional structure of organization. Divisional structure of organization is that type of organization in which many functional structure of organization are there. In this, the division is divided on the product basis. Say one company, you can take the example of Tata Motors. Tata Motors is making Tata tea also, and it is making Tata salt also. It is making Titan watch also. So division of Titan watch is entirely different from Tata salt or Tata tea. So these are three different departments, and all these divisions you can say, all these divisions have another. Every division have their marketing, production, and finance department. So divisional structure is much wider than the functional structure of organization. In divisional structure, the divisions are divided according to the product, not according to the function. In functional organization, departments are divided according to the functions of that department. So this is called the divisional organization. What are the advantages of divisional organization? First advantage is product specialization. They set another division for a particular product. So they create a product specialization because they have to concentrate only on that single product. So they become a specialist in their field, which ultimately increases their profit margin also. This is the second advantage, increase in profit, because they give the quality product to the consumer, and they can compete with any competitor in the field because they are working on a particular product and they keeps on innovating that product. Innovation is also there. So, next thing is flexibility. The flexibility of operation increases because they have their lot of staff. They have more resources. Huge resources are there. So it increases. They can easily change because if they need any change, they can borrow it from their another division also. So in this way, because they have unlimited or many resources, huge resources, so they can easily transfer it at the adjust stage. It also helps in expansion and growth. Growth and expansion according to the division in divisional structure is increased in comparison to functional. In functional structure of organization, you are working on only one firm or a production unit, but in division form of structure, you work in at the different economies and in the different areas. So area of operation increases, the knowledge of that environment increases, which ultimately increases the chances of expansion. So expansion and growth rapidly take place in this type of divisional form of organization. The basic difference between function and division is, the very first is, in functional structure according to the functions, that formation is according to the functions. They divide the department according to the function. But in division, they divide that division according to the product. Then in functional structure, functional specialization is there. But in this product specialization, in divisional structure, product specialization is there. In functional organization, it is difficult to fix the responsibility, but in divisional, the fixing the responsibility becomes more easy. You can trace out that this product is not performing, that's why this division has to be targeted. Then duplication of work is not there in functional organization, but it is there in divisional organization, as different division has to perform same functions. Many functions they have to duplicate. Packaging say, so one division has a packaging unit, then another division also have to have a packaging unit. So duplication of work is there. Then in functional organization, the multi-product company is not good for functional organization, but multi-product company is good for divisional organization. So these are the basic difference between functional organization and divisional organization. That's it for this video. Thank you very much.